We have confirmation on quadrant 4.
All parameters are within tolerance. Alignment verified.
Check the flow rate on emitter 3.
Reading stable now. The sequence is complete.
Check the reading on display 3.
It is stable. Cycle shows complete.
Confirmed. All parameters are nominal.
System reports equilibrium.
Confirmed. All vents green.
Status on plasma regulators.
All green. Trajectory stable.
Ready for sequence start. Power levels stabilizing at 98%.
Acknowledged. Receptacle engaged. We are ready for extraction. The venom is instantly flash frozen, ensuring the stability of the complex molecules through a process known as vitrification.
We're seeing excellent separation efficiency on the blue band here.
Yes, the adjustment improved the peak resolution.
Initiating sequence alignment on the G region.
Confirmed. The molecular weight matches the target profile.
Sterilization levels are optimal.
Confirmed. Logging the cycle completion now.
Check the tolerance on line 4.
Looks good. Calibration complete.
The curves are rising sharply on the E-panels.
Yes, the automated assay confirms the positive immune response. We should alert the floor.
The thermal stability is holding steady at -30.
Good. The pulse synchronization is optimized.
We have a fluctuation on the chemical balance readings.
Increasing the mixing speed slightly, parameters are stabilizing.
The reading on meter 4 is holding steady at 7.1. Good.
Let's monitor the flow rate on the next cycle.
The stress cycles are perfectly timed. The integrity holds steady.
Check the stability metrics on the new batch.
99.8% stable. Projection confirmed.
The containment held perfectly at 400 psi. Noted. Noted. The fragmentation analysis is already up.
This facility operates 24/7, ensuring that these life-saving antivenom treatments are stored under optimal.
Manifest for Phoenix shipment confirmed.
Bay 4 is pre-cooled and ready for transfer.